Hi guys, today I'm in my closet and I wanted to show you an update on how I've organized everything in here. Okay, I wanted to start off down here. I still have my two drawers, and in this one right here, I keep all my swimsuit and underwear. This drawer here is my pajamas, and my jeans are in here. Then over here I have my tank tops, and in this drawer here I have my leggings, and my shorts are in this bottom drawer here. Now, I'm not sure if I showed you this in my last video. This is a basket I keep on top of my one drawers that I keep all my socks that are not matched up yet that I'm waiting to find their mates for. I repurposed this closet mate shelf to hang up all my clothes, and I kind of color coordinated everything so I know where everything is at. And then down here, I got the shoe organizer from Walmart for $8. Up top here, I kind of corralled everything. In this container here, I keep all my extra cords, phone chargers, and stuff. Then this bin here, I keep shirts that I haven't worn recently, and after I don't wear them so long, I put them up to get sent away, and I'll explain more of that at the end of the video. This container here, I keep all my small purses in. I got this at the Dollar Tree. And then here I keep my bigger purses. The storage tote here, I actually have clothes that, like heavier stuff that I haven't worn recently. And then, like I said, after so long that I don't wear them, I put them in this bin. And I order a bag through ThredUp, which is free to get a bag. And you send the bag in, and they go through your clothes and give you credit for clothes that you no longer use.